Okay, so today is the third, yeah, roughly, isn't it? So 50 days, 50 classes batches, very important ones. See, they have already started. So join this and watch them from the start. Okay, we are covering all the fresh questions and the new questions which are regularly asked in the exams now. We are typically dealing with chapter 4 and 5 now. So let's start. For Esteem Needs, here some questions were covered yesterday regarding this Maslow. Chapter number 4 is mainly for this Maslow's hierarchy. Okay. So for Esteem Needs, in terms of Maslow's motivation theory for customers, the banks offer the following products to the customers. Here, what is the esteem need? Yesterday I took this schedule again, means Maslow's hierarchy. You can draw it anytime. Here it's very simple. It's like this. Okay. So it goes from, firstly it's a triangle actually. Okay, let me draw it a triangle only. Okay. Typical triangle we'll draw because everyone is used to this triangle, right? Maslow's hierarchy is basically a triangle. Okay. At the lowest level is a physiological need. Physiological. Okay, physiological need. Then afterwards it comes a safety needs. Safety. Then comes social. Okay, social. Then comes esteem. Esteem. And last one is actualization. Actualization. Okay. So these are the 5 stages in Maslow's hierarchy. What does Maslow say? Maslow says every human being first goes in these linear stages only. First, that person is in the physiological level, means daily bread and butter, daily earning, then daily giving. Okay? So that is basically the physiological need. Okay. Then comes the safety need. Safety need means what? Here the person's daily income is sufficient enough for his daily expenses and his bread and butter, regular clothing, basic needs. Then there comes the safety need. Safety need means what? This person is able to save some amount. So here comes a part of your insurance, your bikes. Okay, your car, bikes and everything are not there. Car is not there over here. From here we go to social needs. Here the person is able to save more. So in that case the person needs 1 BHK flat. Okay, generally. This is also in the safety need, but this is low cost housing. And here the person needs a bit higher range flat. 1 BHK or 2 BHK. Then social needs mean this person needs car. Okay. So he has grown up the ladder. Okay. Then there is esteem need. Esteem need means that person has grown up now in the job or in the business. Now this person needs a higher category of car. If he or she was having Maruti Alto over here, now they are needing some bigger car. Okay, you can call it higher range. I don't know the higher ranges. It can be Mercedes Benz also. Okay, and then is the actualization stage where the person is retired from his job. Now that person has no job. He is just living a still life, calm life. So that is known as actualization. So typically, as per these stages, we have to design the products for the bank so that the customers should be targeted right in the right way. Okay. So for esteem needs of the customers, the banks offer the following products for the same. So which are those? Special term deposit products, term insurance products, housing loans and house improvement loans. So what do we offer? For esteem means this is a typical person who is having large amount, means some good salary, high package. Okay, this is all esteem. So what do we offer to them? Special term deposit, term insurance products, housing loan or home improvement loans. So what do you say? Okay, let me see from your side. A to C all, B is A and B only, B and C only, A and C only. So what is the special term deposit products? Yes, we can offer. Why? Because this customers here, what does RBI say? RBI has given a typical logic to the banks now. Below 1 lakh, you continue with the rates which are common to all the customers. Okay. Above 1 lakh, you can give the specific rate of interest for a specific customer that has been freed now for the banks. So these are called as special term deposit products. Suppose if some esteemed customer means some person earning around 5 lakhs per month. If that person comes to you for a FD of let's say 50 lakhs. Okay. So in that case, what will you do? Will you give him or her the same rate of interest as for others? No. You can give him or her some special rates. So that is known as special term deposit. Term insurance product. These are also sold. Term insurance means higher range can be given, higher sum assured can be given. Home loans and home improvement loans. These can also be given because these are typical customers. Suppose somebody is earning 5 lakhs per month. What do you mean by this 5 lakhs per month? So this person will definitely have the capacity to pay your EMIs. So definitely I can give this. So the answer will be this, A to C all. For Esteem Needs, we will give them special term deposits, term insurance products and housing loans and home improvement. Pensioner loans, retirement loans in the banking and pension plans in insurance and senior citizens term deposit products are offered by the banks for the customer to satisfy their dash needs. Typical. Now you'll find the answer here only. Pensioner loans. Pensioner means what? Any pensioner. Pensioner means what? That person has left the job. Retirement solutions, right? Retirement solutions means monthly income. That is known as retirement solutions. Pension plans in insurance and senior citizen term deposits. So these all products are given to whom? Self-actualization needs, esteem needs, security needs, social needs. If you check this, I had given you this table, right? In this triangle. Where does the person with 60 plus years who has left the job lie? That person lies in esteem, actualization, social. Yes. Correct. That person lies in actualization level. So, to satisfy their self-actualization level. Correct. Got it? Clear? So, pensioner loan. These are all here. Pensioner loan means what? The one who is having the pension. Based on that pension, banks give the loan. Do you know this? Banks give the loan to the pensioners based on the pension. Retirement solutions, right? Like after retirement, what? Okay, monthly income should be there. Then pension plans in insurance. So all these things are given to the senior citizens. Okay. Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever you need for clearing the JIB and CIB, you will get it over here. Okay, classes are there, ebooks are there, tests are there. What all do you need more? Right? So download this app immediately and start studying. Okay. There are certain customers' expectations about the service quality of the bank, which include tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Now, what are these? Now, what do you mean by this? Here, customer expectations. Customer is expecting something. What does the customer expect? Customer expects a good service. What do you mean by good service? Good service means all these. Tangibility means here, service is such a sector which cannot be seen. Right? Suppose if you go to a doctor and a doctor treats you very well, you get whatever your disease is, it gets cured. So that is called as what? That you are satisfied about the service, but how do you express it? Do you see anything? Do you have some goods? Like you go in the refrigerator shop and buy a refrigerator. You get a refrigerator at home. But when you go to a doctor and then that doctor cures you, what do you get? You get nothing. It's in the air. So that's called as intangible. So that intangible needs to be converted to tangible. How is it converted? See this. Suppose if in your bank, if the customer comes and there is a huge dust, full files are there, dust, piles means these files are in huge numbers on each table. What will the customer feel? The customer will feel that these guys are not working at all. So that is intangibility converted to tangibility. Second is reliability. Reliability means the customer must, whenever the customer gives you any job or something to do, account opening, let's say. So you must, that customer must feel that you are a reliable person. The bank is a reliable bank. Suppose if that customer puts FD in your bank and your bank collapses or defaults, then the reliability is in question mark, right? So reliability is an important factor. Responsiveness. Responsiveness means I must be able to respond to the customer immediately in the given turnaround time. TAT, we call it TAT. Responsiveness is typically related to TAT, turnaround time, right? Responsiveness. Then assurance. Assurance means that customer must get an assurance from you that yes, the job will be done. Otherwise, what happens? It was a typical mentality in the nationalized banks earlier, not now. Earlier, it was there that once the customer gives some documents, then you say, okay, I'll check into it. And afterwards, what happens? After 1 week, you call that person, sir, 2 documents are pending. Then the customer gives the 2 documents. Again, after 1 week, you call that customer, sir, this 1 document was left out. So this creates a bad assurance or a bad this image. So assurance means the customer must be assured that yes, all the documents are given. Now my account will be opened. Empathy, thinking from the customer's point of view. This is very important. Thinking from the customer's point of view. You must be able to feel what that customer is going through. If some customer is in the urgency of doing any transaction, there might be a genuine reason, right? So empathy means thinking from the customer's angle. So what does the customer expect? The customer expects everything. A to E all, right? Isn't it? These all define the service quality. Got it? The customers expect the bank to be willing to help them and provide prompt service. This falls under which customer expectation? Now this is typical question and everyone will get clean bold on this. Let me get the answer. Let's see. Customer is expecting the bank to be willing to help them and provide them prompt service. Prompt means fast. So under which category will it fall? Reliability, responsiveness, assurance and empathy. Very typical question. What is it? Prompt service. Prompt. Okay, and help them. Prompt service means everyone. Is it reliability? Reliability means that customer must feel reliable. That must feel that you are reliable. That is the basic logic. You are reliable. That the customer can be assured that yes, the job can be done once it is given to this banker. Okay. So reliability and assurance means roughly one and the same thing. Empathy means thinking from the customer's angle. So the right answer to this is prompt service we are talking of. We are talking of B, responsiveness. This will fall under the category of responsiveness. Okay. Typical. Got it? Such questions are asked in the exam. Now these are very confusing as such. Because this is actually the test of English, not the test of RBWM, right? So you must understand the English properly. Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So in this channel you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB from IIBF. IIBF gives various notifications on a regular basis, and those are difficult to understand many a times. So those are explained on this channel number 1. So that's why important part is updates. Again, second important part is free YT series. Free YT. Always remember this. See, right now what are you watching? 2000 MCQs, right? Means all the MCQs on various topics of RBWM. Similarly, you'll be having these on the same Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. All the 2000 MCQ series for various subjects of JIB and CIB as well. So that's why subscribe to it, click on the bell icon, share it with your friends, like it. Okay, share it in the social media because sharing is caring. Okay. Next one. The bank should be approachable and easy to contact. Besides, the bank staff should communicate in the language with the customers, which the customers understand. The bank staff should make efforts to know the customers and their needs. This falls under which of the following customer expectation? Very typical answers. Here I have marked the typical points over here. Known to the customers and their needs. Reliability, responsiveness, assurance and empathy. Very typical. Who can give me the answer? Yeah, it is. The bank should make efforts to know the customers and their needs. When you know the needs of the customer, suppose if some customer is in a hurry, very hurry, Serious, that customer is having some hospital payment to be done. It can happen. Hospital payment, there is some payment to be done, NEFT, RTGS to be done for hospital. Urgent operation is there. So that's what does it mean? It means that you should be empathetic. Empathy means what? Thinking from in customer's shoes, putting yourself, I'll just write yourself in customer's shoes. Okay, customer's shoes means thinking from the customer's angle. What all problems the customer might be facing. Okay, so this is known as empathy, means putting yourself in the customer's shoes. Typical one. We bankers always lack in this. We always think from our angle. बहुत कट कर रहा है customer. This customer is really headache यार. Since last 10 minutes this customer is coming back to the counter and saying RTGS हो गया क्या? NEFT हो गया क्या? RTGS हो गया क्या? What is this, man? We also have our work, but check what the problem with that customer is. There might be some serious issue with that customer. So that is thinking from the customer's angle. Okay? Very important point. Because unless you are empathetic, you won't understand the needs of that customer. And unless you don't understand the needs of that customer, you won't be able to serve that customer properly. Right? Customer expects that the bank that if there is some problem in the entries of in the bank statement, they should be corrected immediately. Similarly, if certain charges are debited incorrectly, the amount should be restored quickly. This expectation of the customer falls under which of the following category? So the customer expects the bank that if there is some problem with the entries of the bank, then they should be corrected immediately. Okay. Second is, if there are certain charges to be debited incorrectly, the amount should be restored quickly. Restored. What is this? Reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy. If I come to your branch, sir, these are the wrong charges which you have debited, and actually they are wrong. Ma'am, these are the wrong charges. Actually they are wrong. Then what do I expect as a customer? That restore it. What do you mean by this? It means I am expecting responsiveness, response from your side, fast response. See here, today responsiveness means what? Fastness. Okay. If you feel the charges are correct, then immediately respond to that customer with politeness. Let's see, these are the bank charges and these are the XYZ typical charges. So they can't be restored if they are correct. But if they are wrong, then you need to change them immediately. Okay. So that is known as responsiveness. Okay. Which of the following statement regarding the satisfaction level of the customer is not correct? Not. Okay. I want the answer now. False. Which of them is false? This is my question mark. Fulfillment of customer needs can be measured from the satisfaction level of the customers. Means fulfillment of customer needs, what the customer needs, can be measured from the satisfaction level. Means how do you know the satisfaction level of that customer? See here, whenever the customer comes to the branch, the satisfaction is known from the face itself, from the dialogue itself. But if you are working on the e-channels, virtual channels, so how do I know? I am not seeing that customer, neither that machine is seeing that customer. How will it know? Then we give the response forms, right? Feedback forms. Some stars, 5-star, 4-star, 3. Yeah. You hear this on your typical call centers, right? If you are satisfied, press 1. If you are not satisfied, go on pressing all these up to 5, whatever it is. Okay. So that is known through what? Satisfaction level. Okay. Second, so this is what? True or false? So this is true. But I want false. Satisfaction comes out of customer's experience of products. Means it depends on customer's experience. What do you mean by experience? If the customer is happy about the product which you have given or the service which you have given, that customer will give you 5-star rating. Write some good comments in the comment section. If that customer is unsatisfied, that customer will give you this 1-star or 0-star rating, right? Bad comments. So this is also true. What about the next one? The experience is same in case of all services of the banks. My God, is this true? The experience is same in case of all services. Means what? Does the customer get same experience in all the services? Sometimes what happens, some customer might be having good account relationships, means liability relationships. But if that customer comes for the loan, that customer might have a bad experience. So it's not the same in all the services. So the experience is same in all the services of the banks is false. False. Okay. So this is basically the answer required. C. Okay. Which of them is not correct? Okay. Regarding the satisfaction level. Got it? Clear? Simple? Next one. As per the basic segmentation of the customers based on their income levels, super affluent customers have the following income levels. Super affluent, very typical. Super affluent customers have the typical this income level. Super affluent. This is a typical answer. 10 to 50 lakhs, 50 to 400 lakhs, 400 to 4000 lakhs, 4000 to this what? This much. In fact, lakhs, and these figures are so big. Okay. So 4000 to 1,20,000 lakhs means huge amount. Okay. So super affluent will belong to which group? What do you say? Depends on bank to bank. Okay. But typical answer will be for this. Anyone? What do you think? Typical answer? Yes. Super affluent. Now this is really tricky. Let me see how many of you can answer this. Really tricky one. Yeah. Super affluent. This is a typical answer, and I just want here. I can give you the answer right now. But the problem is I want you to think. Check on the Google. See here. Just pause this video. Check on the Google. Check it on the Google. What does this Google say? Okay. What does the Google say? Check it. Yeah. What does the Google say? Yes. Yes, here. I told you I can give you the answer. The answer is here. Okay, I've got many answers from you. It is same. 50 to 400 lakhs. This is means lakhs. Even 50 means not 50 rupees. It is 50 lakhs to 400 lakhs. Remember this. It is 10 lakhs to 50 lakhs. It's not that 10 rupees to 50 lakhs. Okay. 50 lakhs to 400 lakhs. So super affluent customer means the one whose income is 50 lakhs to 400 lakhs. Okay. Everyone kindly join the Sankalpa batch. Okay. Very important. See here, all the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Okay. Join it ASAP. If you can't join it as per the time schedule, because you might be having some problem, we are having the recorded videos. Also, you can join the recorded video, the videos course also. There is a separate video course also. You can join that also. In fact, I would suggest join the Mahapack 2.8. In this Mahapack, you get all these batches. Plus, you get live classes, video courses, ebooks, test series, mini and Maha marathons, then practice papers, doubt sessions, everything you get it. So that's why join it ASAP. And right now, we are going on with the 80% discount code. Moon 80. Moon. We landed on the moon. That's why this Moon 80 code is going on. So this Moon 80 code will give you 80% off in the batch, and in the Mahapack you will be getting double validity plus 80%. Let me show you. See this. Go to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you to go through the app, because in app you are having the coin system. Okay. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Done. Now click on JAIIB October 23. Look at this. Click on this Sankalpa batch. Sankalpa batch. English one. Okay. Click. Then you'll see 300 hours online live classes, 165 test series, 181 ebooks. Now just click on any of these. See this test series. You'll be seeing this JAIIB or topic wise test series, module wise test series. Similarly, ebooks. Check the ebooks. All the 4 ebooks are there. And ebooks are also, if you click on this ebook also, then you'll see again module wise ebooks, chapter wise ebooks. Typical thing. Lectures also, video lectures, everything you get. Just go on clicking and you'll see this. It's locked. Whenever you pay, you'll get it. It gets unlocked. Look at the fees part. 3,999.80. So click on buy now. Okay. Moon 80. See this. So 3,999, 19,999 reduces to 3,999.80. Huge discount. 80% off already applied. In the Mahapack, if you go to the Mahapack, you'll get this as 80% off, plus you'll be getting double validity. Okay, see this. Go to JIB CIB Mahapack. Click on the Mahapack. Look at this, JIB Mahapack and JIB CIB Mahapack. I would always suggest you to go for JIB CIB Mahapack, because this Mahapack you can use it for JIB as well as CIB, and you are getting validity double. Look at the validity. Double validity means what? 80% off and double validity. Same for CIB and JIB. Click on book now. See this. 12 plus 12 months validity. 24 months validity. Similarly, look at this 50 fees also. 80% off. So double validity and 80% off. Double dhamaka. So join ASAP. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, keep studying and do join the batches ASAP. Okay. Bye.